Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, Take 2. Today in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can deactivate Viber. So, I'll be teaching you guys a very easy step. So, just follow me guys, and if you have any queries, just let me know down in the comment section right away. So firstly, what you need to do is just go to your Viber, and then all the way down you'll be having option which says more. Just go over there, then go to settings from here, and then from here where you need to go is just go to account, and then all the way down you'll be having the option which says deactivate account. Just go over there, and then what you need to do is over here just choose your country code, choose your country, and then just have your number. I will take a random number and just press deactivate account, and the account will be deactivated. So that's how you do it guys. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.